Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to make a Passover Bubbala. It's like a light omelet, okay? So you just beat up how many egg whites you want. I made 3. And I'm going to add 3 egg yolks. You just want to blend it. And now I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of some Matzah Meal, just to bind it together, and just about a pinch of some sugar. And that's it. I'm going to take it out of the pan, and I've heated up some canola oil in a frying pan, about a couple tablespoons. I'm just going to turn that down, and now I'm going to take this off, and we're going to pour it in the frying pan. And you're going to cook it on one side and then the other side. And I'll be right back. Make sure it's brown and cooked on both sides, about a few minutes each side. You may have to flip it over a couple of times just because it does spread. Add it to a plate. You could add a drop of regular sugar or some Lakanto Monk sugar and enjoy. It is super delicious, nice and light, like an omelet, and really quick and easy to make. If you are celebrating Passover, you use Matzah Meal. If you want to make it all year long, you can still use Matzah Meal, or you could use some flour instead if you're celebrating other holidays and you don't celebrate Passover. Risa Weiner, YouTube. Enjoy.